Most AI art generators act like a toddler with a massive bucket of neon paint. They give you something vibrant and flashy, but it rarely matches the specific vision in your head. If you need a red cube sitting exactly to the left of a blue sphere under a dim yellow lamp, most systems just quit. They give you a purple blob or a floating mess of shapes. This happens because they are just guessing based on a giant pile of data. They do not actually understand how objects exist in a physical space. This is where the new reasoning model steps in to change the game entirely. It does not just guess. It actually reasons through the request. It uses a single internal logic to process both the structure of the scene and the visual output. This is a massive shift for anyone who actually works in professional design or digital marketing. You can stop crossing your fingers every time you hit the generate button. This system handles complex layouts with a level of sanity that feels refreshing. It is built for the professionals who need their storyboards to make sense from one frame to the next. One of the standout features is how it handles references. You can take an original idea and guide the machine through different versions without losing the soul of the project. It keeps the branding consistent. It keeps the proportions exactly where they should be. It behaves like a professional tool instead of an unpredictable toy. Now, there's a catch to all of this precision. If you're looking for that wild, unhinged artistic flair, you might be disappointed. This model is not interested in accidental masterpieces. It is not going to give you a dreamy, abstract sunset that looks like a fever dream unless you really force it to. It is built for accuracy over artistic chaos. For a lot of people, that might feel a bit too clinical or cold. It lacks that messy, unpredictable energy that makes some AI art feel like a unique discovery. If you just want to play around and see something pretty for your phone background, this might be a bit too much. But if you have a deadline and a client who needs a very specific layout, this is a total lifesaver. It is the difference between a slot machine and a scalpel. We are moving out of the era where we just hope the AI gives us something usable. We are entering a time where we can actually demand specific, logical results. This engine treats your instructions like a blueprint. It respects the boundaries of the scene. It understands that objects have weight and position in a three-dimensional world. For creators who have spent hours fighting with weird visual glitches and melting objects, this feels like a massive relief. It is not about being the most poetic system on the market. It is about being the most reliable. You can finally stop wrestling with the software and start focusing on the actual creative work. It is a solid logical partner for the serious digital artist who values control over random surprises. This shift toward reason generation means the machine is finally starting to understand what we actually want. It is less about the machine showing off and more about the machine getting the job done right the first time. It creates a space where your intent actually matters. It matters much more than the lottery of the algorithm. You are no longer just a prompt engineer hoping for luck. You are a director providing a clear vision to a system that finally has the brains to follow it. This is not just about making pictures. It is about spatial intelligence. It is about the ability to maintain a theme across multiple generations. If you are tired of the abstract chaos and need something that actually works for a living, this is the direction the industry is headed. It provides a level of stability that makes AI feel like a professional asset. It is no longer just a fun distraction for a Sunday afternoon. It is about building a coherent world one logical step at a time. This technology values your specific choices. It translates them into a reality that actually makes sense. It marks the end of the accidental abstract era and the beginning of truly intentional design.